If you think that rich gourmet food has to take hours in the kitchen, you are about to be proven wrong. Welcome back, homemade goodies fans. Today, we are taking an old school favorite pancit and make it an ultimate delicious upgrade. Tender roast duck noodles. This recipe is so easy and fast, but I promise you, the flavor of this duck fat and our two secret weapons will make everyone think you're a professional chef. Let's dive in. Before we even touch the heat, we need our two VIP ingredients. First, the shredded roast duck. Use the chest for the best meat and most importantly, the yummy duck fat. Second, my game changer, the canned pickled cabbage. This gives us that beautiful tangy pop that cuts the richness of the duck. Now, the only real prep work is dicing our aromatics, the garlic, shallots, and onion, and slicing our cabbage, chives, and red pepper. Pro tip number 1, the perfect noodle. Bring your water to a boil, then immediately turn off the heat. Drop in your favorite rice noodles, loosen them, drain them, and cover. Perfect texture every single time. High heat 1 minute and restart. This is where the flavor profile explodes. Pro tip number 2, texture is king. We are dry pan frying the pickled cabbage for just 1 minute. Stir it constantly until it's dry and a little crispy. This is critical for maximizing the tangy flavor. Oil in, followed by the garlic, shallots, and onion. Saute until they smell incredible. Toss in the red pepper and regular cabbage. Give it a minute. And then add your shredded roast duck. Stir fry the duck for just 5 to 10 seconds so that precious duck fat blends into those veggies. Now the sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of dark soy for that deep rich color. Mix in the sauces, add enough water or replace it with chicken broth if you don't have the sauces. Water level should be a little below the ingredients. Wow, smells amazing already. And my favorite trick, pro tip number 3, easy tossing. Use kitchen scissors to cut your noodles 3 to 4 times. It makes mixing everything evenly so easy. Toss the noodles until coated. Add a little water or chicken broth, cover and simmer for 2 minutes. Add in some sesame oil if you want to enhance the flavor more. Give it a quick toss until it's combined. Finally, turn the heat off and toss in the chives. The remaining heat will cook them to perfection. It looks so yummy. Can't wait to eat already. And that's it. Our duck pancit is done. The duck is rich, the pickled cabbage is tangy, and those fresh aromatics make this the ultimate homemade goodie. You deserve this gourmet meal. Try this recipe and tell me in the comments, what is your favorite secret ingredient to put in the noodle dish? It's a taster. Let me try this. This is so yummy. Cheesy duck meat. After a hard day's work, it's really worth to try cooking it. I hope your family will like this recipe. Enjoy! See you next time!